Next game. Need a couple volunteers. They don't know words. Okay, this next game is a game called Sound Effects, so we need a couple people up here to provide us some sounds. All right, there's one volunteer right there. Give her a hand. All right. You going to go up and assist? Come up and assist then.
All right.
Excellent. You have a short one? All right. Yes. There you go.
Ooh.
That way you're not upstaging her, see? Brilliant. All right. Let's raise that up just a little bit. There you go. All right, so let's seriously just say test into the microphone.
Test. Test.
All right. Good. All right. Excellent. Your job will be to provide us sounds. So whenever we say something like this, I hear an ambulance. It just ran over a dog. All right. And then occasionally, you might just throw in a sound for us every once in a while, which we then have to verify, validate. So let's get a location. Where are we? Please, not the library.
Yes. We're going to be in a New York subway.
A New York subway. Let's see if I can keep that one happening. All right, we're in the New York subway. What is our relationship?
Father-son.
Father-son.
Singers.
Father-son singers. All right. And here we go. Panhandling. Okay, that's enough. It's 3 now. Sometimes if I pause long enough, I can get more. Panhandling father-son singers. So here we go with sound effects.
Papa, I've learned this new song, and it goes like.
Oh, very good.
Hey, hey, that's pretty good there. It's just, like father, like son, all right? Yeah, hey, hell, there's that lady walking the dogs over there. Why don't you go over and sing to her, see if you can get a couple of bucks out of her, Oh, you shattered your glasses! Oh, those
She was very nice.
yes.
She gave me her glasses.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they only got the few cracks running through them. They think you'll do good here.
Oh, that explains something. Wow. All right.
All right, oh, hey, watch out, here comes the train.
Hold on.
Subway.
Yeah, here it comes. There it goes.
It's gone.
It went by already. All right, good. Oh, hey, look at it. There's a little cat down there on the tracks. Yes.
Really dangerous.
Get it. You gotta watch out for it.
Oh! Ooh, that doesn't smell good. Wow. Ooh, poor thing.
Hey, in the subway, you gotta be careful. You never can tell, what's gonna happen. Like, oh, hey, there's a couple of guys here that look like they might be muggers or something,
Act meek and timid.
Quick, I know with that voice you have, it'll scare them off. Sing.
Oh.
Oh, now look at that. It worked. They ran like heck.
Listen to their footsteps.
Out of there. All right, yeah.
You know what? We've been here singing long enough. It's time for a break.
Well, hey, yeah, I got a crunch bar for you here.
Thank you.
Yeah, just
Open it up here.
I'll teach you how to open that up a little faster later when you get older.
It's real chewy.
Boy, here. Let me open this up. There's a bottle of Gatorade for you to slug it down. I didn't know it had gators in it. Throw that off. Get it land? Yeah, there you go.
Somebody stepped on it.
Here, here's some root beer. Well, that didn't work either. All right. You're over the.
I ain't gonna do it.
Here, I tell you what. Look up Open your mouth. We'll do it this way. Inside it before you even open it. I'll come back over and help you as soon as I throw this away. He hit it hard!
Slide it into the track. Good, he missed the electrical contacts there. That's good.
Hold it! Oh, he's getting closer now. It looks like he's gonna touch it.
No, all right, good.
All right, thank God, because I know the Peters guys are coming, Gotta be careful.
Yeah.
We don't want.
Ooh, that was worse than the cat. Wow.
All right, anyway, let's, come on, son,
This is a bad corner.
this is a bad corner, yeah, I really like your voice, though, maybe we'll get